ya go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, you your star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Lisa Hype arrested and Kartel spoke about performing next to Drake at Wireless Festival on the Mobile Awards red carpet. Alright, so Vybz Kartel and Drake are set to perform in the UK this July at Wireless Festival, with Drake headlining the event and Kartel join him at some point on stage. Kartel recently shared, some details about the set he will be preparing for the fans, and personally I can't wait to see what Kartel bring to the stage after a successful staging at Freedom Street. This is what Vybz Kartel had to say.
Joining Jake at Wireless as well. The UK are so excited.
Yeah, Wireless, look out for me, I'm going to destroy.
The UK are excited about this,
I know.
What can people expect to see from your set on Sunday at Wireless?
It's going to be fire, man. We're raining fire from above. Because God is the greatest. I remember I haven't delivered in the UK in 20 years, so we are come with the catalogue from Love Them, me and my father era, Vybz Kartel that was in jail, the Vybz Kartel that's out of jail, everything.
Alright, so while on the Mobile Awards red carpet, Vybz Kartel also spoke about his upcoming wedding to Sidem, confirming that it's happening in February, but in Jamaica, not in the UK. It's set to be a private family gathering, and hopefully it stays that way. We don't want bad mind energy, at the World Boss wedding. I wonder if I can go. Check it out.
Said to Ras Kwame that you and Sidem are getting married in February.
When are you actually getting married?
We want her family, my family, and everyone to be here no later than February.
Bro, it's February now, man. What's going on?
Not here, guys. In my country.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Yard man
but
style.
It's February though.
Yeah, it is. I never said the date change, and I never said the location change. It was always going to be in Jamaica. Yeah, man.
That's right. I'm out.
Oh.
So I've got used to it.
I'm sleeping, so I don't know what I'm doing. She knows though, so. But don't judge.
We don't judge. Sometimes I don't wash my legs in the shower.
I snore in my sleep, and my fiance hates it.
Sidem, you don't like it when Vybz snores in his sleep? How bad does he snore in his sleep?
So I've got used to it.
Alright, so we have all seen the chaos unfolding on social media with Lisa Hype meltdown, and honestly, it's heartbreaking to see, But what's even more concerning is that the situation could escalate even further, and that's bad news for Vybz Kartel. Lisa Hype is blaming Kartel for everything that has happened to her, in the past few weeks. Lisa Hype claims she has damaging secrets about Vybz Kartel and said she will bring down Vybz Kartel, even to the point of sending Vybz Kartel back to prison.
You want me bring one down? Test me. You want me bring one down? Test me. Tell you don't test me. And me have him belly bottom. You don't test me, and we talk things where we send him back a blood clot prison. Don't test me. You hear me? I want to know. Alright.
Good night, madam.
Good night, sir.
Constable Boaz is the name from Norman.
Boaz from where? Hold on.
Norman, the police station. Alright, I'm aware that you don't have a ticket.
So where you carry me? You carry me at the police station?
No, I'm not taking you in the police station.
Where you want me for do?
Under the airport regulation,
yeah.
It's an arrestable offense for you to be here.
Oh, so what me have to do? Come out of the airport?
Thank you.
Okay.
Jano, I'm wondering if I'm the only one who realized that Lisa Hype is blackmailing Vybz Kartel, and Kartel should take this threat seriously. Lisa Hype firmly believes Vybz Kartel responsible for all her struggles, and she's not backing down whatsoever. And you know what is funny about this thing is that Vybz Kartel isn't entirely blameless. Kartel need to get some of the blame after everything Kartel have been through. You know what I mean? Yeah, that things a Kartel would have come out and do things differently, especially knowing how loyal and loving Sidem is. Kartel still get involved with Lisa Hype after his prison release. This is the same old Kartel. Kartel himself claim he want to put aside. Even when Kartel was in Jamaica, supposedly walking the straight and narrow, Kartel was still moving loose, in my opinion. But look at him now. Kartel staying far from the drama, focusing on his career overseas, and that's how a star should move. Leave some of the well-done people them and them dirty attitude and bad mind spirit and all of them things they aside, you know what I mean, and continue to do great things as we know you should be doing. You see me? Now, one thing I'm happy for is that all of this is happening and Vybz Kartel is not in Jamaica right now while Lisa Hype is spiraling out of control. But the real question is what will happen when Vybz Kartel return back to Jamaica, because he must come back a yard. Right now, me believe Lisa Hype is just waiting for Kartel to make the wrong move so she can go all out and expose whatever secret she claims to have. And if those secrets are serious enough to put Vybz Kartel back behind bars, all me know is Kartel need to distance himself immediately and, more importantly, get Lisa Hype the help she needs. Lisa Hype recent arrest at the airport showing up with no ticket and causing a major scene only adds to concern, and a part of me believes that she's doing this for the attention, especially since Kartel was gaining the spotlight with the Mobile Award situation. Lisa Hype knows that she have to do something drastic, you know what I mean, and all eyes will be on her again because she has been getting the headline she wants.
Oh, you want passport? That lock me up. Go video no muma. Go video no so cocky muma. Miss what? Go video no so cocky muma. Monkey. Go video monkey. I will both. Nah, get back my pussy. Chase from Stony Hill, where PNP, nah, get back my pussy. Kartel, nah, get back my pussy. And that's what I want to go ride off. Hey, boy,
will be taken down in writing and used against you.
Use against me in court. Oh, I'm to that big idiot police boy.
Thank you.
I want to that big idiot. So where you walk? Go on now where you walk beside my father.
Hold on.
Yeah, man, if your husband come with touch my head. You know have my hand, you know hold my hand already. You see fire here, dirty police boy. So them have me a car, they gonna carry me, go lock me up. Blow my phone, you buy my phone? You buy my phone?
Give me the phone.
You buy my phone? You buy my phone? You buy my phone? You buy my phone? You buy my phone?
Give me the phone.
Me ask you if you buy my phone.
Put the phone neighbor.
Won't not carry me go?
Oh, that's a run.
Won't not carry me go?
That is the video for today. Thank you for watching. Owen Allen Media. We keep you informed.